Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Lawrence PE at Home. Today we're going to be playing a simple game called hopscotch. This is a game that people have been playing for thousands of years. Hopscotch, to get started, all you're going to need, simple piece of chalk that you can write outside on the sidewalk or in your driveway. Also, you're going to need what we like to call a shooter. Now a shooter can be anything from a small rock with a little bit of weight to it, a stick, like so. If you have maybe a squishy or something like that at home, or even a small little stuffed animal. So, what you're going to need to do is you're going to find your open space that you can draw the hopscotch board. Now you're going to have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way up to 10 is going to make your hopscotch board. When it is your turn, the first person is going to start outside of the board, facing it, holding the object, and you're going to try to toss it into the first number 1. Once you do that, then you will go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, all the way down the board and back. Once you get to it, you pick it up and you hop back out of the board. It'll be the first player to complete and land their shooter on every single number and back will win. Now, I already have the board drawn in my driveway, and I'm going to go ahead and we're going to take on my daughter Emma in this game of hopscotch. So come on, follow me. As you can see here, I have the board drawn out, numbers 1 through 10, using just the simple sidewalk chalk. She's going to stand outside of number 1. That's going to be the first number that we go to. She's going to toss into number 1. Go ahead. Now, if she successfully tosses that shooter into the first number, that means she is ready to go. So now her next move was she would actually jump over that number 1 and the shooter, landing both feet in the next 2 numbers. So there she goes. She jumped over number 1. She lands safely into number 2. And then she would just continue all the way down to number 1 or number 10. Once she makes it to number 10, she's going to turn around. Once she turns around, she starts that grid back. And now, right here is important. Hold on. Put it down. Once she gets back to the shooter, like she was going to do, she's going to bend down, pick that up, and then she hops all the way over that first number again. Now, since I was challenging her, then it would be my turn to do the same thing. I would land in number 1, I would jump over, and I would land, and I would go all the way down the board until I get to number 10. I make it all the way back. Once I get in, I bend down, I pick it up like so. Now it would be her turn, and we would continue in the same numerical order. So go into number 2, 3, all the way up to first 1 to 10. Now, let's just fast forward so that you can get to your own game. Let's say that she's on number 5, and she shoots at number 5, but she doesn't land the object safely in number 5. So go ahead, Em. Well, she did land it in number 5. So go ahead, run down the board. See how she sidesteps, but she stayed on 1 foot. Now she can't step on any of the lines, and she can't lose her balance. If she loses her balance or steps on a line, that's an automatic loss of turn. Now, I was hoping she was actually going to miss on that turn, but since she didn't, that's okay. I'll show you my turn. My turn, I'm on number 6, and I go to toss on number 6, but my ball or my shooter doesn't land on number 6. That means I just lose my turn, and it would be Emma's turn again. So if she was going on number 6 and she didn't make it on number 6, then she would go get it, and then we would just take turns back and forth like so. So the first person to land on 10, okay, all the way down the board, I get to 10, I pick up that item, touch 10, turn, and I make my way back, I would win that game of hopscotch. Now, there's different variations you can do. We could say I won that one. Let's say the next time we're going to do only the odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Those are the only ones we're going to shoot for. Maybe the next time we only do the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You want to make it even a little more challenging? Maybe you try to do your board jumping backwards, but still safely landing in the numbers. Thank you for joining us on another day of Lawrence P. at Home. This is Hopscotch. I'll see you next time.
Oh, yeah.
Have a good day.